अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। वंशाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्याय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनाम्ने गौरत्पिषे नमः। First of all, my heart feeling numberless Dandvat Pranam in the lotus feet of my Diksha Guru, Om Vishnu Parsi Srimad Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, and same in the lotus feet of my Shiksha Guru, Nitya Leela Pravishta Om Vishnu Pad Ashtotar Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj. Last time I gave a class, but so many devotees, they told that it was general class for all. Really it was so. I told for all, those who are devotee and non-devotee. But you are telling that you are in number 95% devotee. Only 5% no devotee. That is why I have selected a serial lecture of Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita. In that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sweet pastimes, there may come so many important things like Sanatana Shiksha, Rup Shiksha, with Sarvabhaum dialogue, very philosophical tattva will come. Also Rai Ramanand Samvad. So this will be best for devotees to hear. I will try to speak as easy as I can, but even if you cannot understand, you can put questions. Next time I will solve, and then again I will go on. So, in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami has done a bandhana of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Bande Gurun Isha Bhaktanam Isha Vatarakan Tat Prakashansya Tat Sakti Krishna Chaitanya Sangha. He has done pranam to Gurudev first. Also, everywhere we see in the beginning of Krishna Archan, writing a book or anything, we do bandhana of Gurudev. Like Bande Aham Sri Guru Sri Jutapada Kamalam Sri Guru Vaishnavansya Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagan Raghunathan Tam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadhutam Parijan Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagan Lalita Sri Visakhanitans. Here also the bandhana of Guru has been done first, And then after Vandana of Gurudev, Vandana of Govinda, Gopinath and Radha Madan Mohan are done. So, Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Swami is telling, Mantra Guru are Joto Sikhagan, Tahara Charanam Age Kariba Bandan. So he is telling that I am doing bandana to Mantra Guru and other Shiksha Guru. You should know that Guru are of so many kinds. Chaitya Guru, second Vatma Pradarshak Guru, Diksha Guru, Shiksha Guru. Chaitya Guru is himself Krishna because he inspires in the heart of devotee how to go to a Gurudev, how to learn Krishna Bhakti, how to do Guru Puja and other things. And then Vatma Pradarshak Guru. This Guru is a general devotee, himself not doing the action of a Guru, but he can show others, oh, I know a Guru, really he is qualified Guru. So come with me and I will take you to that Guru. This Guru is called Vatma Pradarshak Guru. And third, Diksha Guru, those who gives Krishna, Radhika, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in the form of mantra. Mantra are himself Radha, Krishna and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Don't see any difference. And then fourth is Shiksha Guru. Shiksha Guru means Swajatiya Snigdha Ashaya Snigdha. A Guru like Diksha Guru in qualities, not less than him. It may be sometimes more than Diksha Guru. And Swajatiya Ashaya. What kind of desire I have to serve Krishna? Krishna Seva Bhashana. In what way, in what mood I want to serve Krishna? He knows and he is very favorable for this. Very, very snigdha. Affectionate. And all qualities in him will be there. This Guru, Shiksha Guru, may be one or so many, but try to have one special Shiksha Guru who will affectionately tell you all the thoughts. Even he can tell you Shiksha, that Guru, more affectionately than Diksha Guru too. Sometimes we cannot tell any very confidential things to Diksha Guru because Aishwarya Buddhi is there. But to Shiksha Guru, like a friend, we can open our hearts. But he should also be very qualified in comparison to Diksha Guru. Here, in Chaitanya Charitamrita, in Hari Bhakti Vilas, in other Shastra, the symptom of Guru, qualification of Guru is told. Tad Vijnanartham sa Guru meva abhigachet samat prani sotriyam brahmanistam. that if you want Nitya Mangalam Krishna Bhakti, knowing that all worldly desires and all worldly objects are nashwar, perishable. So you should go to learn Bhakti Tattva, Krishna Tattva, Jiva Tattva, Maya Tattva to a guru, being so much humble and taking samidha, that is wood, to present Gurudev for 5 sacrifices. The qualification of Guru is Ved Tatparjagya. He knows all the subjects written in Ved, and he has some realization of Krishna Tattva. And then you can learn something. Also it has been told, Tasmat Gurum Prapaddeta Jigyasu Se Uttamam Sabde Parecha Nishanakam Brahmanupasamasyam. So, we should go to a Gurudev to know how your bhakti may come, to a Guru, qualified Guru. And he should know all tattva written in Vedas, Smriti, Shruti, Bhagavat and everything, so that he can remove your doubts also. And he should be a realized Guru of Krishna. And he should be detached to the worldly desires. Then you should go. Acharyavana Purusho Vedaha. Oh, those who knows Brahma, you should go to them, then they will tell you. If they don't have realization of Krishna Tattva, Pat Tattva, they cannot give you anything. Utishtat Jagrat Prapya Varan Nibodhat Khurasya Dhara Nishita Durattaya Durgam Patastat Kaveyo Vadanti. Oh, Vedaraj teaching us, oh sadhu, give up all worldly desires, be detached to them, and be situated in your constitutional form, that is Krishna Seva. And then, having the mercy of Mahatpurush, Guru, you should try to know Krishna, Bhagavan. Oh, this world is like a sharp razor. You can be injured at any time. So without a qualified Guru, none can save you and none can teach all these things. Then you should go and serve him. Jasa devi parabhakti yata devi tatha guru tasyaite kathita hyartha prakashantani. Shvetaswar Upanishad. Those who have parabhakti, mean best bhakti, uttama bhakti, in the lotus feet of Krishna, and in same way in the lotus feet of their Gurudev, then all the teachings of the Vedas will come in your heart. Also, कृष्ण भूलि से ही जीवन आदिर बहिर्मुख, अतएव माया तारे दे संसार आदि दुख. We are Krishna Bhakt all the living entities, but now we have forgotten, and that is why we are suffering by Maya, illusory Maya. So, ब्रह्मांड भरत में भ्रमिते कोनो भाग्यवान जीव गुरु कृष्ण प्रसाद पाए भक्ति लता. So thus in what
14 planetary system of this Brahmanda,
Unlimited universes.
Going in unlimited planetary system by only the causeless mercy of Guru and Krishna, anyone can have bhakti lata bij, the seed of bhakti lata. So we must do bhajan of Krishna, seva and bhajan, that is seva of Gurudev. Then we can go out of this. But one thing more. If unknowingly you have selected a guru, the person, those who have no qualification of guru, not knowing all shastra, they cannot remove all the doubts, and they have not experience of Krishna, realization of Krishna, then we should at once give up that guru, if you have done. So at once, and a realized guru should be done. Also Jiva Goswami has commentary of this sloka. The persons, जो व्यक्ति न्याय रहित न अन्यायन श्रृणोति जाता उभौ नरकम घोरम व्रजतः कालम. Those for any temptation or for any gain, they take guru, and guru makes them disciple. Both of them goes to hell.
without any fear.
And Vaishnava vidveshi chet parityajyeva. If guru was at that time, first he was not opposition to Vaishnava, Hari Guru Vaishnava vidveshi. But now, if he has become criticizer of any guru, offender of any guru, Vaishnava, Krishna, then at once we should give up, and we should try to do a new.
Punascha vidina sammak dahed Vaishnavad guru.
Then you should accept with vidhi any qualified guru. So we should know all these things. Now Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, in Madhurya Kadambini, he has written, if a qualified guru like this is found, then you should do Guru Pasapti. What is Guru Pasapti? That at least 1 month, 1 year, you should be with Guru, serve him, and know what character of that Guru is. Whether he is detached up from the world, whether he has all the qualities that in Shastra it has been told. You should do. In 1 year you should find. And if it is qualified, then you should serve. Next, there is something else again, that if you will serve that Guru for 1 year, he will be very kind to you, and his heart will be melted, and thus he will tell everything to you. So, before taking Diksha, we should do this method, follow this method. Otherwise, after some time you will see that my Guru is not qualified, then you will give up. Again you will do, again you will see that, oh, he is not. So 5-10 times you will do Guru and change. Thus your life will be spoiled. So he has told, Vishambhaina Guru Seva. Also it has been told in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Vishambhaina Guru Seva. Now, if I have accepted a Guru, serve him, please him, that his heart should melt. And serve your Guru, then take Diksha and Shiksha both. Diksha, all the months, up to Brahma Gayatri to Harinam, Gopal Mantra, Kam Gayatri, Guru Mantra, Guru Gayatri, Gaur Mantra, Gaur Gayatri, Kam Gayatri, Pancha Tattva Harinam. And in the meantime you should go on serving. By Diksha, Guru will, qualified Guru will give you a real relation. What relation you have? By your constitutional form to Krishna. It must be within 5. Shanta, Dasya, Sakhya, Vatsalya and Madhu. But you should know, those who have come to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and he is in Guru Parampara, mostly they must be of what? Gopi mood, especially in the mood of Rup Manjari. So this is very high thing, highest thing. We will have to pay so many things, so much things for this. Our whole heart should be given to Guru, because he will give a very durlabh, rare thing to you.
Most rare.
Now, I can tell you something about Guru. In Vedas, Upanishad has written 2 examples. So many examples, but in them 2 are most important. Aruni and Uddala. Aruni went to his Gurudev. For 25 years serving him before initiation. And thus Guru told him, oh, now it is evening, so much rain, it is too much cold, water is raining, so go on the field and try to collect water there, make a dam that water should not go out. And then he went. It was too cold. Night came and water has come very forcefully. He tried mostly to give some clay earth there, but no good result. So in the end he slept down there, and thus lay down there, and thus water was checked. But it became morning. His body was like
Collapse, like frozen.
collapsed,
Frozen, unconscious.
unconsciousness. Oh, Gurudev came. And he told, oh Aruni, where you are, where you are. Anyhow, he told, oh Gurudev, I am here. What doing? I am lying down. Why? To check water. Oh, come on. Your austerity has been finished. And from his hands, he gave him bone, that all Veds, Upanishad, Shastra, Gyan, Tattva, Gyan should come in your heart. This. How he served his Gurudev. And then Uddalak, he came to his Gurudev. Gurudev told, for 25 years you will have to graze my cows. Oh, thousands of cows he took and began to. One day he told, oh, you are very fatty and healthy. Why? What you do? Take. And then he told, I'm taking after
Milking.
Calves eating the
calf takes milk. After that, what remains? Something left, I take one. Oh, don't do it. Go on. Then he did not told what to take, and he again. After some time, he saw that he is now still so healthy. So he, how you are healthy? Oh, I am taking the foam of cows. Oh, don't take. And then again he went. After some time, one day he saw that with cows he had not returned. And then he went into the jungle and he saw that he called, where Uddalak? Uddalak was in well because he had become blind. Anyhow he took out of the well and asked, why you became blind? Because I took one plant which has milk.
Like milk.
In India we tell it ikaman. By its flower it is given to Shankar. So I became blind and went in the well. Gurudev told, very good. I am giving you blessings that all Veda, Shastra, even everything should come in your heart. You know, Krishna Baldev with Sudama, how they were serving his Gurudev, Sandipani Muni, in the night, in rain, to collect firewoods. They were in jungle, and so heavy rain came and whole night on the head they carried out. So we will have to serve Gurudev in lifetime. You know also. Ekalabya. Ekalabya, you know. Ekalabya went to Gurudev, Dronacharya, and he requested that he should teach him archery. But he denied. Then he returned back to the forest and made a statue of Dronacharya, and he learned everything. After some time, Dronacharya went to that forest and saw that a dog is with them and he is barking. At once in a minute he saw that his mouth is full of arrows and he cannot bark anymore. Then he went to that side and saw, Ekalabya. Dronacharya asked, who are you? I am Ekalabya. What are you doing here? I am learning archery. From whom? You. Where I am? In a statue. Then now you are what? Qualified in archery. So give me dakshina, Guru dakshina. And then he told that at once I will give you. What dakshina you want? It is your right thumb you should give, and I will give you everything. Then at once he cut off and gave. But Dronacharya was the real Guru. He knew that he is against Bhakta Pandavas, Arjun, and also to Krishna. So he denied first. But anyhow he took his thumb that he should not be so archer.
Mordecai.
But in the last, what became? Oh, Krishna killed him because he wanted to kill Arjun and Krishna both. So he killed him with chakra. So we should try to know Guru Tattva like this, and we should serve Guru like Rupa Goswami. Sri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Jaina Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kada Mahyam Dadati Sapadantikam. As he knew the inner heart desire of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he fulfilled. He preached what? Anarpit charing chirat karunaya kalo samarpaitamannatojjal sangsa bhakti sriyam hari hapurat sundar tyutikadam sandipita sadharidaya kandaresh sachinandan. He preached Nam Sankirtan with love and affection, and he taught what? Manjari Bhav. That is why he came. I will explain later on. Gaur Premanande Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Nitai Gaur Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol. Gaur Premanande Jai Jai Sri Radhe.